Bruno loved his quiet life, grazing in the lush grass and soaking up the sunshine. But sometimes he felt a little lonely, watching the other animals play together. One day, while Bruno was resting under a shady tree, a small, bright yellow bird named Bella landed on his horn.
Excuse me, do you mind if I rest here? I've been flying all morning and your horns look like the perfect perch.
Of course, little bird. But be careful. I don't want you to fall.
From that day on, Bella visited Bruno every morning, sharing stories of her adventures.
You won't believe what I saw today, Bruno. I flew over a sparkling lake that looked like it was made of diamonds.
Bruno, in return, shared tales of the meadow, the blooming flowers, the soft rustle of the wind, and the curious rabbits that often peeked out of the bushes.
Yesterday, I saw a family of rabbits playing hide-and-seek in those bushes over there. They were so quick I could barely keep track.
As days passed, Bruno found himself looking forward to Bella's visits more and more.
Oh no, I won't make it back to my tree before the rain.
Don't worry, little friend. Hop onto my back. My sturdy hide will keep you safe from the rain.
Bella snuggled into Bruno's thick fur, and together they waited out the storm under the big tree. When the rain stopped and a beautiful rainbow appeared, Bella looked at Bruno with gratitude.
You're the kindest friend I've ever had, Bruno. Thank you for keeping me safe.
From that day forward, Bella and Bruno were inseparable. Bella helped Bruno feel less lonely, and Bruno gave Bella a safe place to rest after her flights. Together, they proved that even the unlikeliest of friendships can make life a little brighter, and that sometimes the best of friends come in the most unexpected packages.